na twakorichikura 2022 Nyamira njanye gutwara stability njanye gutwara muraba as much as nonye kisinga nebwate problem chere kini nchiri ne cya Nyamira igonta kumubeka burunga e problem cya Nyamira kiro kikira waro turu because gavana yabere impeached twice nonye impeachment injiri weta igo tabasa kota there is something cooking out because the government has come in the national government the national government because the MCs went to the MCs were there. The MCs were there when we went to State House. Abanyamira. The itu ajeto last time. They were there almost 20. Also, nairi umugaba na simbachi ete. Even nyaribona na bete invited. Akanga. Ono montoro take in charge. Ne speaker ya Nyamira uyogoro kumeshima Nyabaro. Only wait. Ego I don't think and handing if something is cooking out. Tabase kukumemona because it has been cooked there before. Only wait. Number 2, gate abanga Nyamira ne bwate ubede people that are very specific. Gate Nyamira ne bwate problem jahe. Igo Nyamira erware te turu. Nyamira ndwairi. No urwa Nyamira omuntu ranya konye bwekaye Yesu. But the only thing to tell ko tabangeringa Nyamira ne government e wate autonomy. E government ngakisika county. No ni wede e wate bakiga bana ya yaye. E wate bakiga deputy kabana yaye. No ni wede. Igo ekituwari kusaba nkiringa ki omuremboje poti kisi narari na Nyamira regardless yo marengo abantu bagotoka you see inabona tigambe ke piuta boronge gabano yago teba amorengo tindu yakari noroje nogotagenda State House tuza goteba ngaki ngabano muinare so mwana bwa bagusi oyo bagatanga bwa bagusi okurigo president turamanya sanari lakini oyo bagateba the other day oyo bagateba ngankuri yale no arenge Nyamira matanga tanga gaba natarengo muntu we korengo one sene
you know that's what I see
igona kingo tabanganya Nyamira omugaba na naro omudabiti gaba ne government ne karete nero igwata leadership but the only thing getting aki to komanya birengera byangu ya gaba